Hi, my name is Johnny Timmons with MarineMax Houston. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on our brand new 2023 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer. Unique about this boat, this is the first boat in the state of Texas with these. These are the new 600 Verados, 2-speed transmissions, quietest engines on the market. The efficiency of this boat's absolutely insane. It'll do 42 mile an hour cruise. We've seen it top out over 60 miles an hour. It's an absolute blast to run, and the livability that you just wouldn't believe in a 37-foot boat. So without further ado, why don't y'all hop on board and let me show you around just a little bit. So I'm going to show you a couple quick features. This is one of my favorites. Right off the back of the boat, you're entertaining, you're at the swimming hole for the day, you've got the little mezzanine seating up. Well, now it's time to boogie. Let's go get some dinner. So what we're going to do, I've got two handles over here. I'm going to push this down. I'll pull this one up. And now we just converted it. Now we've got our coupe feature. We've got storage back up underneath here. Let's boogie. Straight above me, we've got the sure shade. I've already got it out. We're inside the showroom, so it's not doing us a lot of good here other than just being able to show you some of the features and benefits of the boat. Nice storage up underneath here. Sea Ray did a good job. Everything's hinged now. There's a nice track on the bottom there. Cup holders galore all the way throughout. Real Corian countertops, true sea deck in the boat. Again, since we don't have engines on the boat other than the outboards, all this in the engine bay is all storage. So on this boat, we've got a seakeeper down there, we've got our generator, everything else is going to be storage. It's located right up underneath here. I'm going to show you the little wet bar area. I'll lift this up. There's our Kenyan grill. There's our sink top right here. A little AC/DC fridge up underneath here, and just some good storage that we'll use on a daily basis. And of course, we got a trash can that sits underneath here. I'm going to work forward real quick. Right here, we've got our thermostat. This boat's got two AC systems, one for downstairs and one for here. So in this coupe feature, we've got all of our enclosure up. We've got the sun top. Now we've got cold air blowing on us. If it's cold outside, we can put the enclosure on the back of the boat, turn the heater feature on, and now we're nice and cozy as we travel the intercoastal wherever we might be going. Twin 16-inch glass Simrad displays here. We've got our chart plotter, sounder, radar, all the fun features that we need to navigate with. Fusion stereo. We've got a spotlight already built on the boat. Furthermore, here's our joystick, electric trim tabs, autopilot's already built in. Really, really nice feature. The boat runs really, really well with it. Love the hard glass, and it's a single piece frame too. Look straight up and you'll notice that we've got a nice sunroof that's up here. And I'm gonna work forward here. This big hard glass is just going to slide forward and close off. There's a secondary door down there. I'll lock this back in place. Let me go ahead and lock it. There we go. We're going to work forward just a little bit. Now I've already got this area set up with mezzanine seating right here. However, if we want to, just with a quick little twitch, and drop that, and now we're going to convert this to a nice lounger area up here. Those seats are fantastic. You'll see these two poles right here. We don't have them up, we're in the showroom, but those are carbon fiber poles that'll sit right there, and we've got a nice little shade awning that's gonna go over the top of us. It's called a Ferrari shade. It's like a 40-degree mesh, but at least it keeps the sun off of you, and it'll cool you down in the middle of the summer. All right, come on guys, we're gonna go down in the cabin of this 37 Sundancer. We've got a nice couch area here, TV, whisper wall all the way throughout. They do a great job with Sea Ray of hiding some of the things that we normally are gonna need. So we've got storage right here. And then you lift this one up, and here's our AC/DC panel, our seakeeper option. Everything's right there, super easy to operate. And again, the best part is it's hidden up underneath here where we don't need it. We just flip places with you real quick. Now we can actually look at our galley, fridge, microwave, sink top, some storage right here. I'm gonna go in here to this little midship stateroom. Slide up underneath here. This little back piece will slide down and fill in this area to make a nice little full berth. Lots of lighting all the way throughout. Really, really cool feature here is we've got the Fusion sound bar, and then we've got our TV right here that'll drop down and get out of the way. Super nice little option. This is a great little place to crash on for the night if you're gonna run two couples. I'm gonna work forward here. I'm just gonna let Sarah slide in there. One of my favorite things about the 37 Sundancer, it's actually got a full shower. It's not a wet head. You can close that Lexan door, take a nice shower just like you're at home, dry off, and not have to wipe up the entire floor of the rest of the head. Hey guys, it's Johnny Timmons again at MarineMax Houston. We're inside our air-conditioned showroom here off Nass Road 1. Thanks so much for taking the time to walk through the 2023 370 Sea Ray Sundancer. Look forward to meeting you in person. Y'all have a great day.